make a flan cake. The first step on we must prepare that is 5 eggs, 220 ml and 1 can of the condensed milk. Make a cluster. Step 1. Pour the condensed milk into the bowl and we can mix that with the electric mixer. Step 2 is put in warm water into the condensed can and mix it well. The way we must do that is 1 milk can and 1 water can. Step 3 is break on of the egg into the large mixing bowl and using an electric mixer mix on the high speed for 30 seconds until to smooth. Step 4 and mixture into the egg and 220 ml into the liquid. Step 5 put 2 spoons of the sugar and 2 spoons of the water into the mold. Step 6 heat it into the sugar turn into the light brown. Step 7 turn off the heat and put the egg mixture. Step 8 steam the mixture for about 45 minutes. And last step we can eat that.